That guy was shooting us.
Spotted an enemy jet. I spotted an enemy chopper.
Oh, yeah.
Minute 30. 30 now.
Enemy light armor has been spotted just east of where you're at.
Huh?
We have neutralized objective Bravo.
The chopper's feeling
Spotted
heavy.
enemy LAV.
Oh, bitch, that's from go.
You've just taken objective Bravo.
Why can't I just fucking hit one of these things, man?
Need the sniper at golf. Help
Hey,
us.
good job.
Let's go.
Come on.
Objective Charlie has just been neutralized.
Big right here.
Do you think they know how fast we are?
We have taken control of objective Charlie. I've spotted a hostile tank
Oh,
due
that's
west of your
someone
position.
over here.
Attack the objective soldier.
Tank. He's behind our tank.
Got him.
We've neutralized objective Foxtrot.
Oh, get the TV set up. There it is. Fuck! Disabled.
Go, there's a tank! There's a tank! Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Alright, I got it. I'm trying to go back to base.
Alright, we're covering you.
Oh shit, we are
Oh,
down.
no!
Yeah, got a stinger, boy.
Objective Golf is now neutralized.
No, that's
I've spotted an enemy LAV.
thanks.
Yeah.
Alright.
Objective Golf is under our control.
There's a tank up here. Oh, fuck!
Yes.
How's,
Objective Charlie has been neutralized.
I see the tank down there. Hammerhog.
We have taken objective Charlie.
We're done, buddy. I live.
I've spotted a hostile LAV due north of your position.
Oh, I got him! There he is! Come here, you son of a bitch! Yeah!